Hi, now I demonstrate device provisioning by QR code scanning or using enroll token through our web console. At first, we need to log in using access credential at our web console. Then go to the enroll device part of the menu. From here, we can enroll a device by QR code scanning at device setup time or type enrollment token when prompt for an account. Now I'm showing a factory reset device enrollment by using enrollment token. Here I type AFW sharp SETUP. Then we go as follows. Now I scan the QR code by QR code scanner. Now we can see enrollment process is completed. Let's check the device enrollment is fully dedicated device. I open Android device policy app and it is showing device is provisioned successfully. Thanks for watching the video.